Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio through the Porsche Communications Manager from your iPhone. The first thing we do is go to iTunes. You'll see at the bottom PCM there, red triangle, 3 red circles. If I click on there, there's a tick next to PCM. That means whatever audio is playing on your iPhone, it will come through the audio system in the Porsche if you've got the correct buttons pressed. So we'll go back to that. You'll see there, if I click, it's playing. We go over here and we need to go to source. Well, first of all, if you go to media, it's on auxiliary. So that means anything that's plugged into that socket there will be playing through this at the moment. So what we have to do, we go to source, and then that gives you all the different options. Sorry, it's timed out, I'll just click it again. And we have to click auxiliary. Now, if I turn this up, and then I turn this up, as you can hear, the speakers are fantastic in this thing. I'll just try and show you a couple of other things really, because it can be complicated. It may not work at first. It didn't with me. Now, it is possible when you go to your iTunes, the PCM doesn't show up. So it's not showing up there, the PCM. So what we have to do is go to options, set media auxiliary, and you see there, make sure there's a tick in auxiliary Bluetooth, just normal auxiliary, and then we have to go to Bluetooth settings, list of MP3 players, list, and now it's showing my phone. So we click my phone, and we have to click connect, and there you go, it shows up. It can be awkward, it really can, but once you know how to do it, that's it. So from source, auxiliary Bluetooth, and that's it playing.